job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. The National Highways Authority of India (NHAI) is inviting applications for multiple vacancies, including Chief General Manager, General Manager, General Manager in Land Acquisition, and Hindi Translator. Interested candidates must submit their applications online through NHAI website at www.nhai.gov.in by July 22, 2024. For comprehensive details regarding age limits, eligibility criteria, and other conditions, please visit the NHAI website. The Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions is seeking to fill several positions, including Administrative Officer, Physical Training Instructor, Data Entry Operator, Radiographer, and Staff Car Driver. These roles are based in Mussoorie, Dehradun. Interested candidates must apply within 60 days of this advertisement's publication. For detailed information on the application process and eligibility criteria, please visit their website at www.lbsnaa.gov.in. Antra India Limited is inviting applications for practical training facilities for graduate engineers, diploma holders, and graduate apprenticeships at the Ordnance Factory, Nagpur. Opportunities are available in various branches including information technology, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, Bachelor of Science, and computer applications. The last date for submission is July 16, 2024. For detailed information and to access the application form, please visit their official website at www.yantraindia.co.in. Cement Corporation of India Limited is seeking to hire an officer in marketing on a fixed-term contract basis. The position requires a minimum of 2 years of post-qualification experience and is based in Telangana. The cut-off date for age and experience is the last date of application submission, which is July 31, 2024. For detailed information and to apply online, please visit their website at www.cciltd.in. Ordnance Factory Tarsi is inviting offline applications for unfilled vacancies of tenure-based CPW, that is Chemical Process Worker, on a contract basis. The initial contract period is 1 year, which may be extended up to a maximum of 4 years. Applications must be received by post within 21 days from the date of advertisement publication. For detailed information on eligibility criteria and pay scale, please visit their website at www.munitionsindia.in. The Institute of Banking Personnel Selection (IBPS) announces the common recruitment process for the recruitment of clerks in participating banks. The online examination for the selection of personnel for clerical cadre posts is tentatively scheduled for August 2024 and October 2024. The examination may be conducted in either an online or physical mode. Candidates are advised to regularly check the official website at www.ibps.in for detailed information and updates. The Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research (PGIMER) Chandigarh is seeking to fill 121 vacant posts of assistant professors. The last day to deposit the application fee in the bank is July 12, 2024. Interested candidates can visit the institute's website at www.pgimer.edu.in for detailed information and application procedures. The Local Audit Department Chandigarh is announcing 4 vacancies for the post of section officer on a deputation basis. The maximum age limit for applicants is 56 years. Candidates from the Department of Research in the Freedom category who are in direct line of promotion are not eligible for consideration for appointment on deputation. For detailed terms, conditions, and eligibility criteria, please refer to the official website at www.chandigarh.gov.in. The National Highways Authority of India is conducting recruitment for the post of legal manager on a deputation basis. Interested applicants must submit their online applications through the NHAI website at www.nhai.gov.in by July 26, 2024. Additionally, a printout of the online application along with the verification certificate must be submitted at least 2 days prior to the selection committee meeting. For more details and the application process, please visit their official website. BRIC, National Institute of Plant Genome Research, is inviting applications for various positions including scientist, technician, and consultant. Eligibility criteria and pay scales vary for each position. Applications must be filled and submitted online with required documents uploaded in the specified format. For detailed information on each post and to apply, please visit the official website at www.nipgr.ac.in. The last date for submission of the application form is within 30 days from the publication of the advertisement. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.